Hi, I'm Samuel Austin, and today I'm going to show you how to play your Nintendo GameCube and Nintendo Wii games on your PC for free in 2021. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the basics of how to use the Dolphin emulator by showing you how to set up the Dolphin emulator and how to install ROMs. It's a fairly simple process. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to want to type in Dolphin. And the very first thing that should come up should be Dolphin emulator. And you're going to want to click on that link. Next, you're going to click on the big blue button that says download Dolphin 5.0. And there should be 3 downloads here. There's one for Windows, one for Mac, and one for Android. There should be another Linux download here somewhere, but I'm using Windows, so I would download the Windows one, but if you're using Mac, you can use the Mac one. And if you have an Android phone, you could also do it that way. So once you download it, you should see this file called Dolphin Master 5.0. That's not it. What you want to do is you want to extract it using a program such as 7-Zip or WinRAR. And if you don't have 7-Zip and WinRAR, I got you covered. You just want to Google 7-Zip and it should come up. WinRAR should also come up right here. So once you have an extraction software, you just want to go back to Dolphin Master, right click on it, and then say 7-Zip here or extract here with the book icons through WinRAR. And then once you extract Dolphin Master 5.0, you will get this folder that says Dolphin X64. We want to double click on this, and there should be a little Dolphin icon, and it should say application on it. We want to double click on this. Now, if you see this screen, congratulations, you now have a Nintendo GameCube and a Nintendo Wii in your PC. But we can't play the games yet. And you may be wondering why. Well, we need to download and get games first before we can run them in our GameCube, Nintendo Wii here. So what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to a ROM website. I highly would recommend Vimslayer, but there are other ROM sites you may use, such as MU Paradise or Cool ROM. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get a game on Vimslayer. Now, you could get a GameCube or Wii game. They both work with the Dolphin emulator. So we're going to want to click on the Vault for Vimslayer. And you're going to want to click on GameCube or Wii if you're getting a Wii game. But for today, we're going to be doing GameCube. And the game that I'm going to be demonstrating how to install would be Sonic Mega Collection. Now, you could download any game you want from any of these letters for GameCube or Wii. It doesn't have to be this exact game. This is just what I'm doing for the sake of the tutorial here. And what you would want to do is you want to hit the download button. It should usually be right next to the how many megabytes or gigabytes the game is. And so once you download that from Google Chrome or Firefox, you will see a little icon here, the name of the game, and then in parentheses, USA. Now, that's not the game. It's not. This is the first step. So what you want to do after this is the same thing you did with Dolphin Master 5.0 here. You want to click on your download and you want to 7-Zip extract here, or you want to extract here with the book icon if you're using WinRAR. And if you can also use a Windows extract tool, but I don't have it on me. So after you extract game in parentheses USA, you should get another file that says game in parentheses USA.nkit. If you're doing a Wii game, it will be a .iso file, .iso format. But today we're going to be having a .nkit, and then you should have a text document from Vimslayer. We're going to open that up. Basically, it says, "Thank you for visiting Vimslayer. We appreciate your service on our website." They're just pretty much saying, "Hey, thanks for visiting the website. Thanks for downloading the game." And you're going to want to click on Dolphin 64 again, and we're going to reopen the application here. I'm going to double click on it. And so in order to play our game, it's super simple. All we want to do is press the open button and then press on that .nkit game. And that's it. That is basically how you play Nintendo GameCube and Nintendo Wii games on PC for free in 2021. And I showed you how to do this by going over the steps needed to download Dolphin and then the steps needed to download ROMs. It's a fairly easy process. So now we're on the main menu. It works. I'm going to hit stop on the emulator. And thank you all for listening to my speech.